Welcome to Maharshi Sandipani School. Students,
Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and having good time with your family. आज हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं मॉडल्स का पार्ट 2. In our first we have learned about can, could, may, might and will, should. ठीक है? In our first video we have learned about can, could, may, might and will, would. In our today's video we will learn about should, shall, must, must, have to and ought to, and we will do the exercise in the end. Students, I have explained each and everything about can, could, may, might and will, would. So those are our models which I have explained you properly. In our today's video we will learn about the first we will go with the will and shall and should. So let's do that. Students, next we have shall and should. How they expresses themselves. Let's see. Shall and should. They are used to express here we have a first shall is used to express order and suggestion, and should expresses अ ड्यूटी. ठीक है, वो क्या बताता है? ड्यूटी एक्सप्रेस करता है, अपना फर्ज एक्सप्रेस करता है इसमें. सो शैल इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस ऑर्डर एंड सजेशन एंड शुड इज यूज्ड एक्सप्रेसेस अ ड्यूटी. आई विल गिव द एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑर्डर. To express order. ठीक है, what order we can give? I shall not allow this man to come in my house. What order it is that the person I shall not allow this man to come in my house. ये बंदा मेरे घर में फिर से आना चाहिए नहीं. So किसी और को he is giving the order or he is telling to someone else or he is talking to himself that मैं किसी और को मतलब that man will not allow to come in my house. The next things we express, that is suggestion. To express suggestion, shall we go to the cinema? This is the suggestion of mine. I have put that क्या हम सिनेमा जा सकते हैं? I have given my own suggestion. So this is shall we go to the cinema. Next we have duty. We use should in it to express duty. We should obey our parents. What we have to our duty is to obey our parents. So this is the three examples I have given you students about order, suggestion and duty. So first we have done can, could, may, might. After that will, would, and next it is shall and should. Three more we do have. Let's move to the have to, ought to and must. Let's move to the must, ought to and have to. what given in it? Must, ought to, and have to. They express obligation and advice. ऑब्लिगेशन का मतलब होता है हमारा नैतिक कर्तव्य, ठीक है, जो हमारे फर्ज है वो, एंड एडवाइस इट मींस सलाह. व्हाट फर्स्ट वी हैव, I will give you the sentence. We must tell the truth. What we have to do? We must tell the truth. Next, we have to drive carefully. ठीक है? And the next we have to. We have to follow the rules. So this type of sentences is included in obligation and advice. We must tell the truth. We have to drive carefully. हमें have to का मतलब होता है चाहिए, ठीक है, हमें carefully drive करना चाहिए. Next we have to follow the rules. So these are the model, students. It's very easy. I have explained you each and every model, how we are expressing it and what they describe. ठीक है? So now let's do the exercise. See the exercise. As we have already completed all the models, according to that we have to solve this exercise. I have written the questions for you. So the first question we have, children dash obey their parents. So this is our duty, as I can say. So what we will do, children should obey their parents, because I have explained you that when duty comes we have to use should. Mohan dash play with us. तो has to मतलब जिद तो नहीं कर सकते, वो has to का मतलब उसको खेलना ही पड़ेगा ऐसा, but it's not like that. So what we will see, we will assume it, we will predict it कि it will maybe come. So what we will use, may. Next, dash you mind my smoking here. तो may तो आएगा ही नहीं students, because here we can't use may. Here the questions they have asked, and what type of question, you mind my smoking here, क्या आप मेरे यहाँ पे स्मोकिंग करने से आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है, तो may you तो नहीं आएगा. So what we have given, may और would में से एक लिखना है. So as for the permission, what we have to use, would. She dash come in the evening. She shall come in the evening. No, हमें prediction है कि वो आएगी. Might be come in the evening. So she might come in the evening. Next we are asking for the permission, students. So dash I use your pen. So here may I use your pen. Next we have Tarun dash win this competition. तो Tarun might be future का है, so we are not sure, we will not give surety कि वो जीत ही जाएगा. So what Tarun will do, might be win the competition. So here it will come might. Understood students. So this is the exercise I have explained you. I hope you all have liked this topic and you have understood this topic properly. Bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.